Look at this problem, that is integral sine of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b into dx. So here there are two important aspects. One is we need to apply the trigonometric formula, and based on that we can proceed with the substitution regularly. Okay, right. So I think that is this problem can be solved by Shreya, you can carry on.
Sir, we can use here the trigonometric formula. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a, sir.
Okay. Then, so similarly we can match with that. Is it not? So here a is nothing but ax plus b. So we can have sine of 2 of ax plus b is equal
By
to
2
divided by 2. Tell me.
is equal to sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b.
So that can be substituted. So shall we substitute here now?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sin of 2ax plus b by 2 into dx.
Now we can proceed with the substitution. How to proceed with the substitution? We can take 2 into
ax plus b as t, sir.
t. Now let us differentiate. Tell me.
Sir, a
Yeah. 2
Yes, sir.
into a.
2 into a is equal
No, 2 into a, then dx. So we have to differentiate this one also, is it not?
yes, sir.
Overall. So 2 into a into dt. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here, this
Sir,
is dx.
into a into dx is equal
Dx
to
is
dt.
equal to dt. Okay. Then,
Sir, we can substitute in the place of dx as dt by 2a.
yes. So now we have sine and this 2a of this ax plus b, that is sin t into dt.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sin t into dt. Then
We can write it as minus cos t.
no, we have this 2 also, is it not? So sin 2 of ax plus b divided by 2, and you can take outside this 2 can be taken outside the integral, and you have sin t, and then what? T divided by 2a, is it not? So because this dx should be substituted, is it not? So the dt is, we have to put 1 by 2a, is it not? So sin t into dt divided by 2a. Then that becomes 2a can be taken outside the bracket because that is the constant, is it not? So 1 by 4a
2, yes, sir, 4a
into, now sin t, what is that? Minus
minus
cos t. Okay. Then close the
plus
bracket. Plus c. Therefore, what is the answer? Final answer? 1 by
1 by
4a
4a minus cos into
cos into
2 into ax plus b
2 into, that is very important. Okay. So
2
2
into
into ax plus
plus
b
b plus
Okay.
integral constant c.
plus integral constant. Okay. So this is the answer. right? So can you explain once again so that the students can understand better? Try. Explain.
Sir, okay, sir. Sir, first, we are applying in the sum two methods, sir. One is trigonometric formula, another one is the substitution method, sir.
Two
So
steps.
we,
First step, trigonometrically it is reduced, and in the second step, by using substitution, it is further reduced. Now, first step.
we are using the trigonometric formula sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a, sir. So in the place of a, we are keeping ax plus b, sir. So here in the question, we can see that integration of it is in the form of sin a into cos a, sir. So we are writing it as sin 2 into ax plus b by 2 is equal to sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b, sir. So we can substitute, sir. So we are now integrating this, sir. So we are taking 2 into ax plus b as t, sir. So on differentiating, we get 2a into dx is equal to dt, sir. So in the place of dx, we want to substitute dt by 2a, sir. So we are substituting sin.
So this
t.
dx, listen. This dx is nothing but we have to substitute dx. So dx is nothing but dt by 2a, and that is
by
why I put.
2a.
Is it
Yes,
not?
sir.
Dx is equal to
dt by
dx
2.
is equal to dt by 2a, and that is why we have put here dt by 2a, and we have got already sine of 2 into ax plus b. Instead of that, you can put t.
There is 2 is there, sir. So we are taking it outside the integration, sir. So 1 by 2 integration of sin t dt by 2a, sir. So 2 into 2 becomes 4 and a also comes outside, sir. As per the formula, we know integration of sin dt is t into dt is equal to minus cos t, and we are adding one integration constant c, and in the place of t we are substituting 2 into ax plus b. So the final answer is 1 by 4a into minus cos into 2 into ax plus b plus c.
Very good. Okay. Thank you.